Alright everyone, welcome to the stream today. We have more severe weather across the US again as well. Here, as you can see in this general area, let me close a few tabs to make this stream a little bit quicker for you guys to watch. Alright. Alright. Sorry that it's super laggy. We literally probably have one of the worst Wi-Fi in the world. Alright, let's take a look at some of these warnings. We have an aerial flood warning and severe thunder warning for this general area for areas 35th, 35, Chelsea, Rosalia, I'm sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly, and Eureka, as well as Cassidy. I don't know. As well here. As well as here, we also have some severe weather. Let's take a look at velocity around here. Where is this? We'll start right here. Look at this. Okay. Alright, let's change this to velocity. Dang, it's just out of reach. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, so this is pretty much the storm. We're going to be tracking those a little bit today. Right here. So so let's take and there goes my Wi-Fi. As I said, I'm not even kidding, you would die on the Wi-Fi. You guys are lucky. If you guys had a Wi-Fi, you'd be lucky to be watching this stream. Alright, so it looks like these storms are moving up in this direction. So Westmoreland, Manhattan, Junction City. Actually, yeah, Junction City might not get anything. Alma is getting. Oh, that is not what I'm doing. Alma's getting some stuff right now. Oh, I didn't realize there is a flood. A county outage. Sorry. For Doniphan. I have no idea. I have the worst pronunciation. As well as, I would say, not. I mean, it's just rain. Nothing bad. But of course, right here. Oh no, there's not. I was gonna say. I don't know. There is a severe thunderstorm watch, though. Air warning. Sorry. For there. There's really just this big line of storms kind of moving in, but it's kind of hard to track because some areas are moving up, some are moving yeah, they're all kind of moving up in this direction actually. So anything in Oklahoma, there's one lightning strike. There's nothing bad in Oklahoma. We're about there's small stuff. And honestly, let's keep it flying down here. Aerial flood warning, as I was saying. I would say this storm has potential to cause hail, and if there was hail, it'd probably be like that here. So Selena, I would suggest if there is hail, move. Well, if we start to see hail developing, it's probably coming your way. Spots like this, possibly right here and here, could develop hail. I could see that happening. Maybe not here. but definitely here, developing hail, as well as right here, which I believe there is already some hail. And so, yeah, if there's hail, which, yeah, see, there's been hail, like, developing in the other parts of the storm. I saw hail just a second ago. I believe it was up on this big line. It's coming out right now. Jeez, it goes all the way up here. Alright, kind of noticed, I was like, wow, there's like a huge line of lightning strikes. It looks kind of cool. This developed literally out of nowhere. I would have never expected this to come out. I mean, I expected some storms to go like this, but not like an entire thing. So, I mean, another severe thunderstorm watch for here, or warning, my bad. I always say watch, sorry. This general area, I think that will be canceled like within a minute, but I think a new one might be issued for because like as you're saying, like as it's going, there might be a new one like right there. Because in the way that this is moving, hold on, maybe no. That is not right. It would probably be up here. Could be another severe thunderstorm. Watch, warning. Whenever I say watch, just know that I'm not warning. Alright, let's look at the storm. Let's go ahead and check the velocity on here. Perfect. And we are going to, yes, go to velocity. What is this I see? Gotta pause that right there. Go back to the high definition. No, I don't. I was gonna say it kind of looks. There was. Hold on. Let me just, go back to per station. Yeah. See, look, it kind of. Please. Oh my gosh! Will you please pause? What is going on? I was gonna say this. I mean, it is small rotation. But whenever I went back to pause or just no, yeah. See, not velocity, activity. I mean, very, very small. Yeah, see, the thunderstorm warning just got a little bit bigger. I mean, no, that is not what I meant to do. I mean, yes and no, but if there is a tornado here, it's going to be very small. And it's going to be very short-lived. It's also going to be rain-wrapped, but the chances of that being a tornado is very low. So we'll just wait for the next radar scan to see what that could be. But yeah, that is where the area of rotation is, so we don't know. That could. I don't. It's if it is a tornado, there's nothing on the ground yet, so it might be an area to keep into consideration. But honestly, I'm not thinking it's gonna be a tornado of any kind. Yeah, see, this is the next radar scan. The other, I mean, there's still like a small chance, or this could possibly. Hold on, let's go back to velocity. Let's, yeah, see, you kind of lost that rotation. I mean, there's kind of still like this general area, but honestly, I think that's. I mean, this is moving out, and this is moving in. So instead of forming that ditch you would usually see in terms of tornadoes, even small tornadoes, you're not really seeing that anymore, so should be good there. I don't I was gonna say there's kind of some velocity here. I don't know. Not really, I won't say anything about it. It looks okay. Let's just go and check for... Alright, let's check for... Lightning strikes around Troy and St. Joseph. A little pop-up storm right here. But yeah, see, overall... here. You're overall kind of forming this kind of line. If it was all connected, it'd be moving... Hold on, no. It's moving out like that, I'm pretty sure. That would be very... Like, if that all connects, like, if all these little joints connect, it's gonna be... I would say 50... I don't know, that'd be... sorry, I'm 50 to 90 mile per hour winds, so very, very bad. Because, like, I mean, with a bow, like, I mean, even a little small, like something like this, would be enough to produce pretty high winds. Not to mention an entire full-blown bow, so, if in the case, I don't think that'll happen, but, like, if you see, like, if, like, these little parts, like, will connect, right here, which like I said again, like a low chance happening, because you'll notice maybe these could connect, but this just, I mean, it just doesn't really work. It doesn't form like that most of the time. I don't think any of that will happen, but I mean, at least maybe some of these storms, like right here, could connect and form a little bit of a bigger storm. Expanded severe thunderstorm warning for now. It's for Minneapolis and Salina, as well as Junction City. Junction City later. I would say probably Junction City and Abilene is probably gonna get expanded out, probably like into this big area. Hold on, what is this? Oh, that's nice. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm sorry. Alright, how do I get out? Dude, how do I get out? Okay, there we go. Alright. Yeah, but I'm willing to bet this is, or maybe not Junction City, sorry. Clay Center. I'm maybe Abilene, but I keep forgetting the storm is moving in this direction. So that's something we need to account for, not out like I was thinking. But yeah, there is some hail associated with the storm. Let's check the higher. Yeah, there's lots of hail actually incoming. You can see hail right here, but that's like, it's pretty high up in the sky, so that means that there's probably going to be some hail falling down there. As with what yeah, and also stay away from outside, like I said. And let's go back to elevation 1. Yeah, there's definitely gonna be some hail. So we gotta account for that. What is? Let's check velocity scan again. See there. I'm picking out something here, and I don't think so, but potentially something there. Let's see in those areas what we have for reflectivity. See here, I don't think so. Here, it's not really looking like a hook, if I'm being honest. I can use an arrow. That's nice. Pretty cool. Okay. So you can expect heavy winds. Well, not quite, because like in the direction. This is a really hard one to see. So it's moving up like that. See, up in that direction. And so that really gives us like only a few areas of concern here. This could be high winds. I think that could form into a bow. Give you high winds. As I said, some hail associated with the storm. So stay away from windows and areas of the severe thunderstorm watch. If this goes into a tornado watch, I don't think there's. I think this may just be. Let me check real quick, actually. I will be right back, guys. Here, let me change this font color. Here, no, it's fine. Alright, I will be right back. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Hello. Hello, I am back. Okay. I hope you guys can hear me, but I am monitoring the stream very closely, so you guys should be able to hear me. How the heck do I delete this? Okay, and I do not know what is wrong with this. Dude, what happened? Like, I'm not even kidding. Alright, well, we'll just do that. Alright, well, that system broke. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just do that. I am extremely dumb. Extremely dumb. Okay, let's finish this off. Alright, what was the storm? Oh, dang, okay, I did not know this was a storm down here. I did not see that. Alright, let's focus on these two storms here. Okay, let's take a look at, let's quickly or briefly go over this, what this could mean. If that develops into, it's already kind of higher winds, exactly. This is exactly what you need to account for. This is exactly what a bow looks like. This is what I'm talking about. This is what heavy winds looks like. This exact shape. This is moving whatever way it's going. I have no idea, but if it was moving this way, extremely high winds. Or if it was like red and had hail in it, extremely high winds. So that's exactly what I'm talking about whenever I'm talking about the bow. And it actually does. It looks like it's moving out this way. So for Newton, you could get high winds. I actually am not sure if this. I believe extremely still high winds for Newton and Sedgwick, Park City, Bel Air, and Chennai Reservoir. Sorry if I butchered those names like I always do. So let's head back up to this storm. We got new radar scans recently, which is good. Let's check the velocity. This storm. Okay. Alright. Okay, so this general area here is jam-packed with storms. So for severe thunderstorm warning for severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa in north central Kansas. I'm very sorry if I butchered that name, wish I did. And another severe thunderstorm warning for western Dickinson County in central Kansas and southeastern OTTAWA. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I'm very sorry. County, well as Abilene, Salina, Minneapolis, and Ellsworth. Pretty bad. Supercell, or I do not think that's a supercell, but yeah. It shouldn't Oh, okay. Yeah. See, this is probably not good. This is exactly what I was talking about. These storms forming together and creating very heavy winds. But the good thing is that they're not moving out like this. The bad thing is that they kind of are moving out like that. Except they're more moving this way. Which is, it's still not great, because as I was saying, like these could bond, and I was correct, because most of these storms actually bonded together, created one pretty long line here of storms. If those little joints that I'm outlining right now, I believe there's some right there, will just connect together right now. Extremely high winds. This is what I was talking about. A little bow like that, which we kind of have here. We kind of have, it's not the most bow-shaped thing you'll ever see, but it shows you what I mean. And there is actually a few more storms over here that are thunderstorm warned. It's just kind of okay. For a second, I was like, was kind of scared for. Where did it go? Alright, I have no idea where it went, but okay. Let's just head back to velocity. We see quite literally no couplets. So, I would bet that there's going to be very... Oh. Okay. Alright, yeah, so nothing really bad. We actually do have to check here, though, because we haven't seen close to here. Nothing bad. Let's actually head out of velocity real quick and just go back to normal reflexivity. Yeah, just how long ago did they put that out? It's 7:30, I believe, until 8 p.m. Okay, winds moving at 35 miles per hour, and as well as here, 60 mile per hour, wind 60 mile per hour, 60 mile per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. So if you are located over Sun Prairie, expect hail, as well as 60 mile per hour winds. So that is not good. Like I was saying, yeah, and as well as here at 60 mile per hour wind gusts. If they would just see, as I was saying, this entire thing is just kind of forming a big bow, which is not too great, to say the least. Let's head back down over to these storms we were tracking earlier. See how those are now. Okay, this one still looking kind of ominous. Still has tons of severe thunderstorm warnings. Let's go to velocity. I just realized you guys could not hear me, at all. Sorry about that. If you could not hear me, I'm very sorry. Spiral rotation. Here. It is not what I meant to do. Nothing bad though. Activity. Could potentially. No. Ooh, tornado on the ground. No, I don't think, guys. Just kidding. But actually though, here, there's some rotation. But nothing to get afraid about, because yeah, see there, I mean, there's not really any, like, I mean, see, like, there's no, there's close to no inflow moving in. Well, I mean, we don't know if the hook is gonna form, until we get the next radar scan. Might as well keep that in mind, next to Abilene, possible hook starting to form. Let's take a look up, winds up to, let's see, 60 mile per hour winds, gusts, and nickel-sized hail. Okay, yeah, so, and then, as well as, this storm is also causing quite a bit of, this is giving out some hail as well, which is not good. And here we also have quite a bit of storms here as well. Dang. Sorry, I keep getting down into this dumb position that I'm always in my chair, and I realize that you guys can't hear me whenever I'm in that position, so I need to quit letting myself do that. Yeah, so everything seems okay around here. There is some mixture here. No, I'm not really picking up any rotation, so if you saw that yourself, it is nothing to be worried about. Good eye. Yeah, it's not looking to be any hook forming, but we need to I mean, we gotta account for tornadoes, but, like, we gotta also look for everything else. And yeah, see, this is only gotten larger, and there's another one forming right here, so you guys are going to get heavy winds, which, yeah, it's not good, but okay, so aerial flood for Ellsworth, Kansas. If you live by a lake, get to high ground. If you have any, or if you live like by a pond or like on a golf course, because most golf courses have ponds and stuff, or by a lake or something like that that could possibly overflow with water. Get to a high ground if you start to see it overflowing. But I think if it was going to overflow, it would only go up about 2 or 3 inches. Based on this would bring a lot of rain. But you don't, I mean, there's, like I said, like, there's very small bits of hail in this storm that it's actually happening right now. So as of right now, it really is just kind of like buckets of rain. As you go up, there is more hail forming. Yeah, see, above here, there's lots of hail, actually. That's falling down to the ground. See here and here. Just some hail to look out for, as well as, like I said, buckets of rain and lightning. Let's move further up the line, see if there's anything else again. I would love to. Okay, there we go. Yeah, severe thunderstorm watch as well. Looks like they're determining severe thunderstorm watches for how many, depending on, like, how many lightning strikes we have. That is not in the right place. I don't think that is in the right spot. I mean, I think ideally it would want to be there, because storms are moving up like that, not down in that direction, but who knows. I'm not an expert like these people are. No, okay, so whenever, we were at a higher elevation. I didn't realize that until we got down. So that could, I mean, I'd still elevate it a little bit more, maybe right here, but, I don't know, they're, trained professionals, so they know a little bit more about, a lot more than me. Velocity scan, let's check around here. Could be possible tornadoes. I wouldn't be scared at all, because it's not anything to be scared of. There's a place called Iowa City. That's pretty nice. So back down to these storms down here. I'm in velocity still. Let's go up to reflectivity. See, this is still kind of forming a bow. Let's check for that spot we saw velocity earlier in. Rotation earlier in. It was, I believe, around here. And we're not seeing anything anymore, so. See, it was around there. We're not seeing anything anymore. Okay. Still, as I said, heavy winds moving, and you can clearly see it's coming in from here, because you can tell the velocity scan. This is coming in. This green shows coming in, purple is undetermined. But as you can see, this is all red. That's going out, and then all of a sudden there's this huge green right here moving in. Let's move out of velocity and see. These lightning strikes are quite what do you call it? Pretty quite frequent around here. Another aerial flood until 12:45 a.m. Okay. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Let me move this mic. Hopefully this will be able to catch me more if it's right here in the center. Alright, keep that there. Okay, that should be better quality for you guys to hear now. So as I said, there's quite frequent in this general area. There it is right there. As well as an aerial flood here. Okay, aerial flood warning for south central and southeastern Kansas, including the following counties: south central Kansas, Butler. Okay, in Butler there is a aerial flood. So if you live by lakes, rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent, and like as it says here, and that is going until 12:45 a.m. Tomorrow morning, which quite a few more hours on that. I'm not sure why they have that going for 4 hours left. Four more hours, unless they suspect more rain, like coming in from like Oklahoma or Texas, to move in, or more from Kansas. let's go back. Let's check out. Okay, this storm really kind of dialed down, honestly. That really, yeah, that's, okay, yeah, this storm really broke down into different pieces. It was, yeah, see, like, it was, like, kind of one big combined thing, and then it kind of broke out into these little wings, which can mean it will reunite again. It will reunite and head for Junction City. If it won't reunite, which I'm pretty sure it will reunite, it'll break down into little rings and then eventually disintegrate. I will. Hold on. Okay. Give me a second. I am. All right. Here we go. As I said, frequent lightning around these areas. But yeah, this storm really dialed down. It really kind of lost all of its potential. So that is that. As well as these lines are actually, or this line of storms is actually only intensifying, which is not very good. Yeah, see, this is really forming a line of storms. Now this is pretty much the definition of a line of storms here. So we gotta be able to make sure we track that storm good. I'm really kind of stuck, honestly, right now. I'm kind of, cause I know there's really two directions this storm could head in. Could head up there. It could also head right here, and we really can't tell right now because in the direction that it's moving, it doesn't give a. I mean, sure, it's moving up and it's moving away, so we don't. I'm not sure what to think about it yet. We're pretty sure that since it's doing this movement, it's gonna go like that towards Chicago. But that's just my prediction, and I'm not actually sure. So, all right, we're not seeing any rotation associated with any of these storms in this line of storms, at least. County outage, I've already gone over that, as well as the Knoxville County outage. Geez, that was as of yesterday. Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay. Yeah. So, as well as a severe thunderstorm watch here for. I did not mean to click out of it. Jackson for southeastern. Southeastern, however you say that. As I said, I have the worst pronunciation in the world. Southeastern, Jackson and northern Clinton counties. Let's actually head back to reflectivity. Head forward to its actual time. Okay, yeah. So, I'm not actually sure why they decided to put that as a. Based on their recent parts, they've only been determining. Oh, it's because this actually. Oh, okay. So now we know. Okay, I didn't take a closer look at it. So the storms are actually moving like that. Yeah. See, that should have been. There's like really no telling. This isn't a direction. I mean, no. I'm still going with my gut. I think it's gonna go that way. But it's weird because we don't know. Because I think this part right here is going to end up over here by tonight because it's also moving up. So this huge green section will be over Milwaukee within quite a while. But they're also expecting storms for New York. No, I mean, yeah, there is like pop-up storms, but there's like only like one thing aligning. Honestly, just quite a bit of rain here. Let's head back to our original stomping grounds here. Yeah, as I said, it's going to reunite. I was correct. But yeah, see, it really kind of reunited, and less of a circle and more of a just line. So that's how that's going. I have no idea what happened there. Oh, Bambi. As well as a severe thunderstorm watch for 60 miles per hour winds, blah, blah, same thing for every one of them. Southeastern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, northeastern Jackson County, and northeastern Kansas, southwestern Brown County, sorry, Brownie, my bad. Let's actually... I am going to see how to pronounce this. Because, I mean, I can pronounce it, but I just don't know how, like, honestly. Oh, see, this heavy winds are still moving in. I kind of lost that bow shape, honestly. It was really pretty bad. There is still kind of a bow shape here. Let's check velocity for you. Yeah, see, still kind of a line, but kind of lost it, if I'm being honest. So yeah. These are moving up as well. Junction City. Probably expect a severe thunderstorm warning. My bad. Because lots of lightning. So if you're golfing, stay away, or like get under shelter. Go to the lowest thing in a building, because there's definitely going to be hail associated with the storm. Yeah. So all right, let's see. Southeastern. Alright, let's see. How on earth do you pronounce that? Southeastern. I swear I got it. Okay, so southeastern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas. And okay, somehow Nemaha is over here and over here at the same time. Sorry, I was on the same one. Okay, so for severe thunderstorm warning for Dickinson County in central Kansas, Geary County, southwestern. Oh my gosh, bro, I just had it. Southwestern Riley County, western Morris County, east central How do you say ATOTTAWA? How do you say that? No! English! Ah! Ottawa, okay. East Central Ottawa County, Southern Clay County, as well as Southern Clay County, severe thunderstorm watch. As well, same here. Same cities. And I think I would say these will probably be canceled soon. Not soon, but once these, as soon as these move through, those are going to be canceled, obviously. Well, I mean, let's see, what time do these cancel? They cancel at 8:45. We already got aerial flood warning cancels at like 12 a.m. tomorrow morning. Yeah. Probably going to end the stream a few minutes. Place called lacrosse. If you ever plays that, plays that sport. Yeah, as I said, I'm probably going to end the stream in the next, let's just say 6 minutes, because, there's not, honestly, these storms are bad, but I have to go eat dinner, so I'm going to have to get off soon, but I should be live streaming tomorrow if there is weather. I believe there will be weather, so, but yeah, as I said, probably going to end the stream here in a few minutes, so, let's just go over all this. Alright, okay, we just got a new radar scan. Still, everything looks, I see a few thunderstorms were canceled, or ended, or expired, sorry. Let's check out this storm here. Maybe some heavy winds, up to 60 miles per hour as well. Yeah, it always says that. It's radar indicated. As well as in Troy. Geez, those storms are disintegrating and then coming right back. I believe there is actually no one else streaming these weathers, this weather, apart from me. So, you can find someone. I'm sure someone's streaming this weather if you still need weather assistance. But if you are in these thunderstorm warning areas, as I said, stay away from windows because there will be hail. And it just overall, I'd suggest if you are worried about these storms right now, or I would suggest and you don't have anyone to watch for, like any live streams to watch, or like no TVs, something, or no news stations or anything like that. I'm using an app called My Reader. I highly suggest it. I am using the pro version of it, but the other version works perfectly fine. But as I said, if you are in red, if you need any help, ask me. Comment in the comment section below. I have hopefully soon I might have a Discord made up, and I will also be upgrading my live streams to look more professional, to hopefully attract more people, so we can save more people's lives, if we will. So if you guys are watching this, if you would consider sending this to your family or friends, that would be good, but you don't have to. And in the case that they are in any weather emergency, they can have, or even if it's not my channel, just give them some kind of weather streamer, like Reed Timmer or Max Velocity or something like that, to give assistance if they're in something like that. So, but yeah, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this stream. If you did enjoy, please make sure to like and subscribe. As I said, consider sharing to a family member or friends and family, if you did enjoy this stream. As I said, I should be back. I should be streaming tomorrow if there is any weather, which there might be. Yeah, so these storms also kind of separated. So, but yeah, so thank you guys for watching the stream. If you tuned in today, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want. No pressure. But yeah, so I will see you soon. Also, like I said, I will be I will be upgrading the live stream. So, I'm sure there's someone else streaming. Blah blah blah. Alright, I'm gonna stop.